Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with an outgoing Happy Mail. I'm super excited to show you what I've created. And let's get started on this outgoing pink Christmas Happy Mail. So I'm gonna pull out this one first. So I made a purse. Isn't it adorable? So I mainly used Prima Candy Cane Lane. I was really inspired by the collection. It just happened to be just right up my vibe. So this is actually a dangle that I received in Happy Mail on a group swap, but it just fit so perfectly right here on the side. I just thought it was so cute. This handle, I lined it with some pearls and I thought it was so fancy and so adorable. This is my first one making it. For the life of me, I cannot remember where this SVG file is, and if I remember, I'll leave that down below. I did a little stitching on this bag and I love how it came out, and it is attached with a Velcro just like so. And in here I just have some goodies. I have, what do I have in here? Oh, a bag of sequins, which can never be wrong. And this is a Pixie Dust Designs little box. I am in love with this little box. I think it's adorable. I love the little peekaboo window here too, and it just fits all of the little adorable numbers. I showed these embellishments in a previous Christmas embellishment share, and I just put that in here. All the little goodies in your adorable little purse. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'm just going to slip that in here. Oh. Easier said than done. And next up, I want to show you the cutest, my most favorite card that I've made to date. So I just put in this envelope. It's really large. I attached it with Velcro, and here it is. Isn't it adorable? This is a Stamp Market house card die, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I needed it. I love it. It is adorable. I watched the video and kind of did a craft with me. It is absolutely adorable. I love all of the details on it. I have a little snow, and it's just really fun. I got a little stuff in there. I couldn't do anything about it, but I love it. It is adorable, and I'm so happy I created this. And I hope my swap partner enjoys my creations. All right, next up I think I showed this in my previous video. It is a little Spellbinders little house box, and this was perfect for it. I just love it so much. All of the little paper piecing. I did a lot of paper piecing in this one. This little box here is also another SVG file, and I wanted to house some embellishments. So here are the embellishments. I did show this in a previous video. I just love how this came out, and I hope she loves this little box of goodies as well. And I just love the box. I think the box can be reused, repurposed with some fun little things. And this ruffle pom-pom trim is from AliExpress. I just thought it was the perfect little accent to give it a little whimsy on this. Isn't it cute? Next up, I made a tote bag. Yeah, this tote bag is another SVG file. I did a lot of SVG. The box was an SVG, the purse was an SVG, this is an SVG. And I love how this came out. It's so cute. I thought it was really fitting with the candy cane. And in here, I just have some goodies from my pal. I made this, I guess it's not really a belly band. I cover the whole box. But sometimes I want my swap partner to use this box for future swaps. And I didn't want to decorate this, so I just put like a belly band on this. And it included some Christmas-ish charms and yummies, and I hope she enjoys it. Just slip this back in. This is a ornament that I made. So I saw this at the Target dollar spot. and I just decorated it with some fun accents. I did a little texture paste with some music notes. I know she likes music. Music paper, that is. So I thought it'd be nice to incorporate that here. And then I just did a little bit of glitter and poinsettias, and I added some snow, and I just thought that all of this came out really cute, and I love it. And I hope she loves it too. I think I took this basic S and I jazzed it up to make it a really fun ornament. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh, I have a little sample trim. I have really some cute little trim samples here. This is also another SVG file, but I wanted to share some of my stash. This is a little banner that I created. This is my little what is that called? Prima, I think this is from Santa Baby collection. View resin piece. Love how that came out. And that is it in this box. I just have dye for her. Let's see, we're just going to stick this back in. Next up, I have this little bag topper that I'm in love with. And it is so cute. So I took that candy cane. I think this is I forgot, maybe one from Michael's. I'm not sure. An old candy cane die. And then just a little fa la la. I did a little ruffle trim, this little snowflake, this Dollar Tree snowflake. I added a little bow. I just think it came out so cute. Love this. And then last up, I have this mini album that I created. I took a class with Wanda, and we went to, at the Scrapbook Expo, I took a class with her, and I was super inspired to recreate this one. So this is a candy cane that I created. I showed this in an embellishment, so I just stuck that in there. This is some beautiful red velvet trim that I got from TJ Maxx. So pretty. I'm just going to slip this off instead of retying it. I also included this wooden tassel yarn charm that I made last year. And here is my little mini album. So I did stitch the whole thing, and this is all handmade. I didn't do any I had to do this with hand. Scoreboard, all of this was done by hand. There's no SVG. These corners are from AliExpress, and I just added that on the inside as well. I love it. It's super sturdy. And here is the little, it's a mini album, and it came with pockets, and this is exactly how we learned it in class. So I thought this was a perfect way to share embellishments with her. Again, here's the spine, and all of these are just pockets. And again, I know she loves music paper, so I did use the inside. I used this music paper from Santa Baby, I think this is. It's an older collection. And in here, I just included a whole bunch of embellishments I wanted to share with her. This is some sequence mix that I made. And in the back pocket of this, I have some candy canes. And here I had some sewn ruffles. And I just loved how easy it was to just insert all the embellishments. This is a pixie dust design mug that I just made an embellishment, an ornament. This is the shaker. I showed this in a previous video, shaker snow globe. Here are some shaker embellishments. I made a lot of things that she can use to embellish. I just included another one on the other side. So there's no need to like have a separate carrier of embellishments. I wanted all my embellishments to live in this book pretty much. These are some KS Craft nutcrackers. This was a lot of fun to paper piece. I just included that in there. Here is another pixie dust mug. I was really happy to include on this little ornament. And here I have some glitter deer die cuts. Forget what I was giving. These are some pleather, faux pleather bows that I created. Another shaker ornament. In here I included some die cuts. Or these are from like this old Minte collection that I really love. But I thought it would go perfect with this collection and just kind of included that there. These are, what are these? These ornaments, these candy canes that I created. Shabby versions. In here I included some Christmas trees. I'm sorry, you can't even see that. I'm not going to take them out because I want to, it's all sitting in very nicely. And then on the end I have a pack of these poinsettias for her to play with from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, guys, that is it for my project share. I am sending this off. The interesting part is going to be to get all of this inside this box. And I hope my swap partner enjoys my creations. And I had a lot of fun making them. And that is it for my project share today, guys. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy my creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.